Ka working president kaseng Congress ka Deborah marak kalapan bena baka parti kalapan kre ya ka jingwan pyniasoh jong kibabun kinongalam san perthei kynthup katu katni na ka Trinamool Congress TMC kibakwa benrung no sya kaseng Congress kidon bun ngud lawan pyniasoh iwe hadin iwe kumta ilong kibalapan kre kidon katu katni ki aka Hasan perthei kibangi day ben buri Anda kapor kelapoy ngin saya thu syapi ong ka Deborah habakren syakilat thai kubor hakakat artrik naiwiang. Habakali lanu ki MDC ka TMC kinwan pyniasoh sya ka Congress kala ong pitip kila don halinti batle ase kin sawan poisyan. Lakila bandon ni ki ban mi no na ka National People's Party NPP kala ong ngimpat tip yakata. Nakaliang secretary ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC uba Manuel Badwar ulakran hakabayade baka jinglong balapan kre jong Congress banya aireng haki election Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC kabanwan. Ulaong kajing pai khamat jong kibabun kipat bahi kalawan syangi kabamut baka Congress kan KM biang. Compare wat lai kibri ki kenthok katnu katnuru compare haduk katnu kibriu ki keren persya ya ka parti kipat ba ki peni ka jingno sya ka parti. Uba Badwar ula banjur ba wat lai kidon bun ki bakwa benwan pyniasoh Henry ka parti kan ha ben pendan kam ya ka jing start jongka. Kamut satya babaro kinwan pyniasoh lani an pediang bakinwan nyasoh. Ngihapan bishar kan syong hakarukam long jong ki beriu ki bawan pyniasoh bat lai ki day ki riu shim kabu lani ki wanyasoh namar bagi don ya ka jingyai ki baskem ulaong. Ulak doru ya ka jingwan pyniasoh badang syen jong uzenit sangma da ka baong. Uzenet sangma ulawan pyniasoh dala ka jong kamon ngobha bot udang don ya ka jingiet ya ka party.
There are many. They are joining one by one. So we are getting ready. It is not proper. There are certain things in politics. We must keep it very secretly. When time comes, we will tell you. So you know on the way. So maybe they are reaching very soon.
What about NPP MDCs?
Huh?
NPP MDCs?
We don't know yet. Looks like by first week of April.
Let's just put it this way, the mood of the public at large, okay? The mood of the public at large is definitely coming for us, which means that the Congress will obviously will revive, and no matter how much people criticize, no matter how much people talk against the party, definitely it's something which is, the public is showing a different tangent altogether. So it's moving in a different direction altogether. So we're hopeful that many others will join. But however, by saying that people will join the party does not necessarily mean that everybody will join or will allow everybody to join, right? We'll also have to filter out, depending on the kind of people who are joining, depending on whether they're opportunistic in nature or they just joining the party because they firmly believe. Like for instance, when Mr. Zinit Sangma joined, he joined out of goodwill, right? And he joined because he still has a love for the party, and such personalities with, very tall personalities should also be considered, right? So it's a case-to-case basis, which Madam will take it forward as a work.
Whoever joining from different parties, we never say no to them, and they are joining without any condition. They wanted to strengthen Congress party in Garo Hills once again. With that intention, all of them, they are coming and they are joining the party. We have 29 seats. Okay. I think out of 29, I think application we receive 60 plus.
67.
67.
And that also is not because they received 67, but Madam decided to close the window, saying that if we keep on waiting, then more people will apply. So she said it's becoming a bit too much, so they had to stop. So 67 is a good enough number to get for 29 seats.